Hey everyone, welcome to Nichi Fresh. Today I'm going to tell you all how to make pizza fries. So let's start. Firstly, we're going to prepare the chicken. For that, you will need 2 tablespoons of oil along with 200 grams of chicken. Into that, you're going to add in salt 1 teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, vinegar 1.5 teaspoon, garlic powder 1/2 teaspoon, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon along with mint and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Pour in 1/4 cup of water and let it cook for about 5 minutes. In a bowl, add in mayonnaise 1/2 cup, mayo, cream 2 tablespoons, chili garlic sauce 1/4 cup, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, salt 1/2 teaspoon. Mix and set it aside for a few minutes. In a casserole, add in 200 grams of French fries. This recipe serves 3 people. Now you're going to place the chicken inside the casserole, obviously above the fries. After that, we're going to apply our sauce that we made earlier. Alright, after that we're going to place olives and jalapenos. This part is totally optional. You can skip it if you don't like them. Alright, after that we're going to add in some more chicken. That's it. Now in a wok, combine milk around 1 cup or so, I guess. Yeah, 1 cup of milk, and into that you're going to add in 20 grams of cream cheese, 2 slices of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Stir on and heat it on low flame for until every ingredient gets incorporated well. Then you're going to pour it on your fries inside the casserole. Sprinkle some dried Italian herbs or seasonings, whatever you call them. Serve and enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you all did, then please subscribe, like, share, comment, and follow my page Nichi Fresh. Hope you all will have a great day. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.